Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to Green Oasis. In this episode, we are doing some farming, some little bit of catching fishes, and then we have a little pond around here somewhere, and then we have a lot of tilapia, and then we're gonna use it for eating. And a lot of things are all organic. We have bananas trees, we have flowers, roses, cosmos, and these really cool organic living lifestyle. Cabbage we also have. So we're gonna use this organic food that we have. We can use it, utilize it, and have a sustainable and healthy way of life. Visiting some of these wonderful cabbage that we have. Yeah, there's so many things to do in this little plot of land. It's not really huge, but I'm very happy to be out in nature and then really you can do something like this in your garden. You don't really have to have a big garden. Even though this garden is pretty big, about almost 2 acres, 1.5, 2 acres, whatever. But you can even have in the smaller size garden. But the fact that it actually can grow so many things in this garden is just to show you that there's no excuses for you to grow your own little vegetable, little farming. So I'm going to show you and how you can actually pick up some of these just to show you what you actually can do to pick up some of these organic, healthy living lifestyle. Wow, what is this? What fish is this? Okay. Thank you. Lý mẫu đó. Cái này ngã xa thế để tao lồng. Đi về, God bless quá. Đi trên mà. Nó là mà khôi mà cháy mà thế nào. Tí thì ở chỗ gần luôn vậy. Tí thì tiền lần lại chỉ để sao. Thế thì con này sao lại giang con nào là? Không sao được. Sao mới chịu vậy?ไม่ซ่าล่ะใช่我去哎那哪里เลือดอะไรลูกไปเลยเราเสียแล้วพายจีข้ามาทำอย่างนี้พายAnd you can also plant something like this. We're supposed to plant, but now at least we're planting some of those flowers that we bought recently. If you still remember that we are actually bought some of these things, some of these flowers in a nursery. Yeah, so it's been growing pretty well, pretty good, pretty happy with it. It's been growing nicely. Yeah, it's been a couple of months, it's been growing. Show you a little bit about some of these row of flowers. One of the things my wife's favorites, also my in-laws' favorites. So it's going to be really good. The whole place is filled with these, and that's the plan. That's the plan. So this is kale that I just managed to grow. Kale is one of my favorite salad. You can eat it raw. See, it's all growing everywhere. Really nice. So yeah, they need really bright light. Can be indirect or direct light, but I prefer bright light. And the soil is actually pretty good, very good. They're growing really well in this soil. This is black soil, garden soil. I'm very pleased with this kale here. It can be harvested anytime. You should even eat it around this, this size. It's pretty good. You can eat it raw. Very healthy. You can eat it as a salad. It has a very nice texture. Very fresh. I really like the organic taste of the kale. So these are the things that you can actually pick up and eat it raw. Okay, another one we have is the Thai basil. This is also pretty good. One of my favorites. You can use it in kapau kai, akai. Use it a lot of in Thai cuisine. This one also can be eaten raw. Really nice. One of my favorite edible plants here. Easy to grow. Make sure enough water. They require a high level of water, and also really they need also bright sunlight, direct sunlight if possible.
So this is ladyfinger. If you want to cut and see whether it's right, make sure the tip is soft enough. If it's too hard, then we don't cut. So we just cut right here. And it's ready to eat. Okay, let's go for the next one. See, like this one is really hard, so we just leave it as it is. Go to the next one. You can see here the tip here is actually pretty soft. Then we can cut it off. So organic living, farming. We have quite a few ladyfingers for us to consume. Just organic, no fertilizers, no chemical. Very healthy. Okay, one of these here too.
Thai basil and kale. Cabbage and kale.
Cabbage leaf.
Oh, see, this is so. This is what we have harvested, guys. So this is what we have harvested. Just like that, can eat for the whole family. How awesome it is. Yeah, sustainable living, cabbage, kale, whatnot. We have really good stuff.